So we're going to do a monster shooting range walkthrough with a flashlight assist. We'll start with the clown. So after 3 seconds you can kill them with a wowie light strike gun. Onto the ghoul. I'll set you free, buddy. So, the ghoul. No, the wraith. The wraith. The creepy zombie girl. Medusa.
Go on. Sneak a peek. It won't hurt. For long.
Giant Halloween spider. Accept no substitute. And finally, the mummy. Fortunately his head broke, so his head isn't moving. But I'll fix it for next year. And lights come on and we'll move out of here. Back to the clown and out the door.